Hi. So today we are going to discuss properties of triangles. So basically, you know already about some of the properties of triangle like area, the angle sum property, and we have some more different properties. But here we are going to relate these properties with respect to your trigonometric ratios. So we have some properties by which we can find trigonometric, we can use trigonometric ratio, and by which we can use to find the different functions or different relations or different ratios. Like we can relate our angles with the length, and we can relate our different ratio of or the ratio of length and ratio of your angles. So by these properties we can find, but again I'm telling you, these properties are not just basic properties, these are basically properties using the trigonometric functions. Okay, so let's see. We have first property, that is called as sine rule. Why we are calling this as sine rule? Basically, so because we are including sine, that's a common thing here. We are including sine and we are calling this as a sine. So yeah, but the thing is, we are not just using sine here, we are using here the sides of a triangle. If you can see here, I made one triangle, and here capital A, capital B, capital C are the vertices of my triangle, and A, B, C are the lengths with respect to the angles. Now one more thing here we have, the you can see this triangle. This triangle is basically not isosceles, not scalene triangle or something. We don't know about the name of this triangle. So basically these kind of properties, why we are discussing here, because these kind of properties can be applied for any kind of triangle. Okay, but you know already some basic triangles like right angle triangle, isosceles triangles, so you can easily find out the length and angle related with those triangles. But here in this case we are using these properties for the scalene triangle, especially like the triangle which don't have any right angle, especially. Okay, that is the most important point, the triangle which don't have any right angle. So we are going to use these property for these kind of triangles, and we are going to relate these properties with trigonometric functions. That's why I said first thing is sine rule. Why we are calling this as sine rule? Because we have a sine. So you can see here as a by sine A, b by sine B, c by sine C. Okay, so this rule basically is known as sine rule, where A, B, C are the length of the triangles, and capital A, capital B, capital C are the angles of the triangle. Okay, one more thing, this, if you can see, I have written this formula again in the denominator here in the below this above formula. So basically the meaning of why I'm representing this formula in these two ways, what is the reason behind this, why I'm writing this. Both the formulas are same only, but specifically the above formula we used to write for the sides, and the below formula we used to write for the angles. Okay, so now we'll do some problem based on that.